Welcome to IB2B, Module 1, Topic 2, focusing on the pedagogical principles underpinning the diploma program, or DP. We will explore the role of assessment, the difference between internal and external assessment, review the DP assessment system, and discuss choosing appropriate assessment strategies. The DP's pedagogical principles emphasize learning how to learn through a constructivist approach. Assessment is crucial, supporting curricular goals, student learning, and fair measurement. The program includes 6 subjects, HL/SL levels, and the core components of TOK, EE, and CAS, all evaluated by internal and external assessments. Let's take a quick look at the entrance ticket for this topic. We begin our investigation into the DP assessment by exploring the role of assessment. The DP adopts a constructivist and student-centered approach, prioritizing learning how to learn. As Peterson said in 1972, "What matters is the development of powers of the mind that can be applied to new situations." We will examine the program's standards and practices regarding DP assessment. Assessment in the DP supports curricular goals and student learning. It reflects individual achievement, informs teaching practices, facilitates fair measurement, and acts as a foundation for progression. It is an integral part of the learning process itself. The IB's program standards and practices outline 4 approaches to assessment. These include using feedback to improve learning, employing varied and fit-for-purpose methods, administering assessment consistently and fairly, and giving students opportunities to consolidate learning through assessment. For approaches to assessment 2, there are DP-specific requirements. These mandate using subject-specific objectives and assessment tools for summative assessments, and recording and submitting IB-validated assessments correctly. Schools also create school-based grades for local requirements. Guidelines for creating school-based grades emphasize common practices in using DP criteria, consistency, informative and summative assessment, internal standardization, and using DP grade descriptors. This ensures fairness, consistency, and alignment with local requirements. Approaches to Assessment 3 focuses on consistent, fair, and transparent administration. DP requirements here involve standardizing the assessment of student work for reliable results and submitting accurate predicted grades to the IB and higher education institutions. Guidelines for producing predicted grades emphasize the crucial role of teachers and the use of evidence from formative and summative assessments. Collaboration, consistency, transparent communication, and utilizing data are essential to ensure fairness and integrity. DP teachers utilize various resources to predict grades, including subject and core guides, assessment criteria, internal assessment tasks, and previous data. This process is supported by collaborative planning and professional development, though it can be challenging for new teachers. Approaches to Assessment 4 focuses on students consolidating learning through assessment. The DP requirement here ensures that students submit the extended essay toward the end of the program, allowing them to engage in topics of their own choice. Now let's look at the distinction between internal and external assessment in the DP. The DP requires students to study 6 subjects over 2 years, typically 3 at higher level and 3 at standard level. The core components are theory of knowledge, the extended essay, and creativity activity service, which is mandatory but not formally assessed. Assessment includes both internal and external components. Most subjects have written external examinations, while internally assessed tasks contribute 20 to 30% of the total mark. A minimum of 24 points is needed to qualify for the DP. External assessments are marked by IB examiners and are summative, providing a standardized measure of achievement. Internal assessments are teacher-marked, focusing on skills through open-ended tasks, and are subject to external moderation for consistency with IB standards. Students can take individual subjects as IB course students and receive certificates. This offers flexibility, allowing students to tailor their education and potentially use certificates for university applications or advanced placement in some countries. Next, we will review the DP assessment system. Assessment objectives define what students are expected to achieve, forming the basis for assessment criteria. The criteria use hierarchically ordered level descriptors, allowing for a nuanced, criterion-related evaluation using a best fit model, aligning assessment with curriculum aims. Command terms are vital in DP assessment, guiding the depth and type of engagement expected in student responses. They are aligned with assessment objectives, ensuring consistent and fair evaluation based on defined standards and cognitive skills. Finally, we will discuss choosing appropriate assessment strategies. When creating DP units, assessments must be integral to learning and align with subject objectives. They should gather information from various perspectives, use a range of tasks, and provide authentic evidence of student understanding, not just factual recall. Assessment strategies fall into 4 categories: selected response, brief constructed response, performance-based assessments, and process-focused assessments. They serve different purposes, from checking recall to measuring deeper understanding through real-world tasks. The choice of assessment strategies in the DP depends heavily on the subject's objectives and assessment criteria. While selected and brief constructed responses can be used, they often require combination with other types, like performance-based or process-focused assessments, to fully meet all objective strands. To ensure authenticity, conceptual understanding, and context, many DP schools use the GRASPS analysis form from Understanding by Design. This helps teachers clearly communicate the task details to students, although not all prompts are necessary for every assignment. The Google Notebook LM contains a wealth of information trained on the lecture slides and DP assessment documentation. You can visit the notebook to take a quiz, explore the material through a mind map, and further understand the DP assessment system.